Well, I've been on the project since 2015, and I started as a temporary works engineer, and I've gradually came up as a design manager. As you look out here inside, I've pretty much had my hands on each design, and I've contributed decisions and made sure that everything was built in a safe manner.
The main bit of work we've got going on today is we're taking delivery of our LHM 280 Libor harbour crane or port crane, which is basically designed to take our segments from the river and place them onto site before the TBM actually uses them to create the tunnel lining itself. A lot of work that goes into planning for it, so it's obviously very exciting when it actually comes to fruition and we actually see the positive result on site.
The reason why we've gone with the Harbour crane at Carnwath Road is to provide efficiency, energy consumption savings, and it's pretty much overall it's going to be a transformational idea brought to the project.
This is also a great bit of kit to have on our site as well, because it can facilitate a lot of other lifts and a lot of other work that we actually have to do. So it can make our job a lot easier as well at the same time.
Ultimately, the Harbour crane will allow us to achieve 100% all deliveries by river, so that we can achieve our key dates for our tunnelling operations. These sheets that we've installed here are a form of protecting the river walls from berthing of the barge operations for Carnwath Road.
The reason I sort of wanted to go for this opportunity on this site itself was because I knew it was the key site on the west. So the main drive site itself, I've also be aware that the TBM would be lifted onto this site, and the big components like this would be parked up here.
I do feel proud being on this project, as it's developed me as an engineer and a person that can bring my knowledge and give it to students and young professionals in my field.